Hello everyone, we're on paper 1 from 2022 now for Edexcel. So let's have a look at the first question. So it says the point P, minus 2, minus 5, lies on the curve with the equation y equals f of x. Find the point P, which is find the point to which P is mapped when the curve with the equation y equals f of x is transformed to the curve with the equation y equals f of x add 2. Okay. So first of all, f of x add 2, this is a translation by vector 0, 2. So the whole curve is going to move by 2 up. So the point minus 2, minus 5 is going to go to minus 2, minus 3 for the first one. What's next? The modulus of f of x. Well, remember the modulus has the effect of making the y values go positive. So anything that's negative, the modulus makes go positive, and anything that's positive, it stays as it is. So when we do that, then minus 5 is going to change into plus 5. So the image would be minus 2, 5 for that one. And then finally, we've got y is equal to 3 times f of x minus 2 plus 2. So we've got a few different transformations there. And the way that I like to think about this is I like to think about use BIDMAS or BODMAS as a way of thinking about what's happening. So start with the brackets. So first of all, we've got this one, okay? Now this is a translation by vector 2, 0. So it's going to move the whole thing 2 to the right. So the minus 2, minus 5 would move to 0, minus 5. Next, let's deal with, so we've dealt with the bracket there. Now let's deal with the 3. So that is going to be 3 times f of x, which is a stretch of scale factor 3 parallel to the y-axis. So that's going to go to 0, minus 15, excuse me. And then finally, the last one is the plus 2, which is going to be a translation again by vector 0, 2. So the whole thing's going to move 2 up. So we're going to end up in the final coordinate of the image is going to be 0, minus 13 is where it's going to end up. Okay, so nice little question there to start off. That's question 1. Hope you found that useful. I'll see you in the next video.